Every day, millions of people around the world are experiencing the wonders of Seanol, a powerful molecule that heals and rejuvenates the body through cellular vitalization. What is Seanol anyway? Despite numerous technological and scientific advances, the modern society is by no means free of problems. In fact, we are now obliged to live with the burdens of civilization, from pollution and resource depletion to various chronic diseases. It is essential that these issues be dealt with if the future of mankind is to be assured. Fortunately, a solution has been found recently in the oceans that surround us. It is Seanol. Seanol is the abbreviation for sea polyphenol, a substance extracted from brown algae. The sun shining over the blue ocean. The sun is the origin and source of energy for all life forms, but its UV rays can also be deadly to living cells, causing damage and aging. Furthermore, UV rays that are diffusely reflected from the ocean surface can penetrate deep into the water and pose a threat to marine life. However, life prospers in an environment where brown algae are abundant, whereas nothing survives in desert regions that lack brown algae. This is because the brown algae can produce a substance that protects them from UV rays, heals any damaged cells, and thus allows them to prosper even in the most unfavorable conditions. This forest of brown algae then becomes a precious resource for other organisms that are always in need of shelters and spawning grounds. Therefore, brown algae are essential for maintaining the marine ecology, and their power comes from a substance called Seanol. This substance has the same beneficial effects in other species as well, revitalizing cells through detoxification, inflammation control, and promotion of circulation, and eventually conferring a strong natural healing power. Marine ecologists had initially discovered that Seanol, produced by E. colonia cava, a brown algae, protects cells from damage. During the next 15 years after this discovery, $45 million were invested to fund various international joint research efforts that have verified the nutritional benefits of Seanol and established the technology needed for its mass production. As a result of this effort, Seanol has been authorized by the FDA as the first dietary marine polyphenol in the world. The major appeal of Seanol is that it is both a part of people's diet that can be consumed safely and a precursor for medicines that can be effectively treated chronic inflammation, which is associated with many of today's incurable diseases. Its safety has been confirmed multiple times, and no significant side effects have been reported by customers worldwide. In comparison to other kinds of polyphenols, Seanol is far more effective in antioxidant and anti-inflammatory functions, as well as in improving blood circulation, lipid metabolism, cognition, pain relief, and anti-allergic and antiviral effects. Modern science has identified inflammation as a primary cause for many diseases and the new focus of future research. Chronic inflammation is thought to weaken the natural healing power of DNA, leading to aging and disease. Seanol has a chemical structure with 8 rings, a feature that sets it apart from other, simpler land-based polyphenols and confers stronger antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effects. It brings out the body's natural healing power by restoring the DNA and revitalizing the cells. Korea's Jeju Island is designated as UNESCO's World Natural Heritage Site. It is the home of the brown algae E. colonia cava, which protects and provides for various marine organisms living in the beautiful blue waters. Seanol is a hidden treasure that brown algae and the sea have carefully developed and tested over the last 17 billion years, and it holds the key to solving some of the greatest problems facing the humankind. With Seanol, a gift from the sea, we are ever closer to living a healthier and more enjoyable life.